I'm going to go over half kneeling, half bottoms up press with the intention of working core stability, but predominantly shoulder and scapular control. So what we're going to do is get a kettlebell, works best. You can also use an upside down or a vertical dumbbell if you've got dumbbells, or sometimes an upside down glass bottle, so long as you have a carpeted floor, also works well. The intention is to create instability that you need to control through your grip and through your shoulder complex. We're going to do a half kneeling version so that we are in a single unilateral position, which creates the necessity for a little bit more core control. And also it limits the ability to do compensatory movements more so than in the standing position. So in this half kneeling position, you're going to grab your tool, and what we want is we want to start in a rack position. Now this position is a nice position because it puts your shoulder blade in its optimal position for movement, which is just rounded slightly against your rib cage or your thoracic wall. What this does is create optimal space in your shoulder to create overhead movement. So we don't want to be too forward. We also don't want to be back in a military brace position and forcing our shoulder blades down. So it's in a nice long neck is a good cue, and your shoulder blades are just gently against the thoracic wall. If you were to lift your arms up, you would be just off of 30 degrees. And then you bring your arm in, and there's your rack position. So you're going to flip the kettlebell upside down, the dumbbell vertical, or the wine bottle with the top end up, okay, or the bottom end up. From here, you're going to have a nice strong grip on your implement. Now with the kettlebell, of course, it's easier to do so. This strong grip automatically turns on our rotator cuff muscles, which actually have a very large role in creating stability of our glenohumeral joint. Okay, so those rotator cuff muscles turn on with a nice strong grip. Okay, so we're in that rack position, and then you're going to press up just to 90 degrees and back down again. Long neck, creating nice, strong, stable base, and you're coming up and down. Now, the great thing about this exercise is if there's any instability or a lack of control, you will get immediate feedback from your implementation. Now, if you're going to switch legs as well, so you have that room, rack position, nice and long. Try the difference from left and right. Okay, exhale as you press up, and then inhale as you control back down. There you go. Bottoms up, half kneeling, halfway.